everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a very simple mushroom pasta. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Got my pot of water starting to go over there. I'm going to use linguine for this recipe. I've also got some, what are these? What are these? Baby Bella mushrooms. That's what they are. Gonna use some garlic. Probably a little bit of garlic salt, maybe some onion powder, some heavy whipping cream, butter, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes. And we're going to bring this together and it's going to be absolutely phenomenal. I love pasta. Y'all already know. We're going to keep it simple and easy for you today. We're going to keep it simple and easy for me today is what we're doing. So let's go ahead and get started on this recipe. Got my boiling water going on here, getting ready to come to a boil. By the time that pasta is cooked, we will have this delicious sauce ready. So in my big pan here, we're going to add some olive oil. A little bit of olive oil, and this is one of the dishes that I like to use olive oil and butter. We're going to use about 3 tablespoons of butter. This is going to be a creamy mushroom sauce, so we need a little extra butter. And once we get that melted down, which should only take a minute or two, we're going to go ahead and toss in our mushrooms. Those have already been washed and cut. Let me show you how I cut mine. Now, if you want to cut yours thinner than this, you go right ahead, but I just kind of quartered them into 4 quarters, and you know, because I like a little bite with my pasta. I don't like to not be able to see them. I like to know that I'm biting into them. Let's add some, what are we going to add here? That's fun about cookies. You always can find something good to add. Let me find a little bit of little onion powder. I'm not really one who likes like onions, like chunks of onions in my pasta. It's a texture thing for me. I know you're thinking you're crazy, but that's the truth. That's about a half to a teaspoon of onion powder. We're going to use just a little bit of garlic salt. I'm not using any regular salt because I'm using garlic salt. About a half a teaspoon of that. And what we're going to do is just kind of let these hang out here. Stir them. Oh, did I miss one? And just let them get nice and soft. Got my heat on about medium. Oh, those smell good already. I love mushrooms. Let's add some fresh ground pepper. I have had this on my mind for 2 days now. And you know how it is when you have something on your mind. You gotta get it. That's how I am anyway. We're going to let that get nice and soft, and then we're going to add our garlic in there. And with our garlic, this is about 3 large cloves of garlic. I like my pasta garlicky. It's just roughly chopped. Mince if you like. Let that go for about another minute, and then we're going to add some chicken stock to that. Quick and easy. But I'm telling you, this is going to be absolutely amazing. My water is ready, so let's go ahead and add our pasta to our water. Just drop it in there. Let me tell you, don't break your pasta. Don't do it. Just gonna let that slide down in there. Turn that up a little bit. That burner, that eye on that burner is a little bit smaller than my other one. So we'll probably have to cook this on high. You just want to cook this till it's nice and al dente. If you like your pasta a little bit more done, then go for it. But it's going to finish cooking in our sauce there. We're going to add quite a bit of salt because you want your pasta seasoned. This is the time for you to season your pasta. Give it a stir so it won't stick. We're going to cook this for about 9 to 10 minutes. While that is hanging out there, let's give this a stir. It smells so good. Let's spread it out just a little bit. Now we're going to add some chicken stock. About a good cup of it, a little bit over. Crushed red pepper flakes for just a little bit of heat. If you want to skip the heat, by all means go right ahead. A little more pepper. Now, we're going to bring this up to a boil and let these hang out probably for about 5 minutes. Pasta's got a few more minutes. We're going to add some heavy whipping cream. Nice cup or so. You know what? That's all I've got, so we're using it. This is what's going to make your creamy, delicious sauce. Let's turn it down just a little bit. And then we're going to hit it with some Parmesan cheese. Lord, I hope I have enough. You're going to want at least about 3/4 cup of cheese. Let's turn that down a little bit more. Let's turn it down on low. It's getting... Don't want to burn that cream. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, everything's going off. And we're going to add the pasta right to the sauce. No need to drain it. Right in there. You see my little friend back there? He loves to watch his mama cook. Don't you, babe? Don't you, baby? All right, let's incorporate. Let's incorporate. You know what? I need some tongs. Some good tongs. Somebody needs to send me some good tongs. I don't know what's happened to mine. Every time I get a pair of tongs, they disappear. How amazing that looks. Now, if it starts getting a little dry here, go ahead and add just some of that pasta water in there. Top it off with just a little bit more cheese. I'm telling you, if you're a mushroom fan, you're gonna love this. You're gonna love it. Feel free to use any type of mushroom you would like to use. This is just what I wanted to use. Pasta is done. I don't know. 20 minutes to throw together. Once you have everything chopped. Which the only cutting you have to do really is the mushrooms and garlic. Look at that. Look at that. Mmm. Let me tell you something. That is absolutely delicious. Absolutely. Come here, mushroom. Come here, mushroom. I gotta have another bite. Mmm. Somebody's gonna be in trouble over this. That's amazing. Super creamy. Super delicious. You know what I'd change with this dish? Absolutely nothing. Let me tell you. And those baby Bella mushrooms, the flavor of them are prominently coming through. So good. Gonna head over to the table and eat. Get me something nice and cold to drink, maybe some tea. I think I'm gonna feel a nap coming on. You know I love you. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Take care.